the last inhabited village on the Indo-Tibetan border. Chitkul is found on the bank of the Baspa River. It is the last point in India till where one can travel without a permit. The village is a perfect retreat for the travelers who are looking for a break from the crowd and the chaos, and turn to a perfect place for the sparse population over the region. The village remains almost covered with snow during the winter season. It is during this period of the time the local residents move to the lower Himalayan region. Today we are going to explore the India's most popular and the most beautiful tourist destination of Himachal Pradesh, Chitkul. Hello everyone, this is Shongita and welcome back to my channel. If you are a travel lover and a nature lover, then this is the perfect place for you. Before you explore the place, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and keep supporting me. Main attraction of Chitkul are its houses, which have either slate or wooden plank roofs. It also houses a small Buddhist temple and a small tower. There is a monastery called Kagyupa Temple, where an age-old image of Shakyamuni Buddha is worshipped. The valley proffers an unsurpassed view of the river Baspa, with the vistas of snow-clad mountains on the left and apple orchard and wooden houses on the right. An enchanting hamlet located in Himachal Pradesh, Chitkul is the last motorable settlement on the border of India and Tibet. The charming Chitkul Valley in Kinnaur district is on the bank of the river Baspa. The organic and unadulterated atmosphere of Chitkul makes it a popular site for backpackers, campers, hikers, and explorers. The village dwellers are humble and welcoming people that host numerous tourists throughout the year. Chitkul is situated in the Kinnaur Valley of Himachal Pradesh. The Kinnaur, the land between paradise and earth, is surrounded by Tibet on the east, Garhwal on the south, Spiti Valley on the north, and Kulu on the west. Interestingly, Uttarakhand border is just 20 km from Chitkul. We started our journey from Shangla and reached Chitkul within 2 hours. The distance from Delhi to Chitkul is 569 km and the nearest settlement of Shangla Valley is approximately 28 km. Rakcham village is the midway point between Shangla and Chitkul, and the drive from Rakcham to Chitkul is breathtaking, adventurous and just pure gold beautiful. The best time to visit Chitkul is the summer month, especially from April to June and September to October. The thrilling roads of Hindustan-Tibet highway leading up to Chitkul and clear blue skies make for the perfect adventure with enough safety mixed in. The Indo-Tibet border is approximately 90 km from Chitkul village. However, no civilian movement is allowed beyond Chitkul, which is why it is famously known as the last village before Indo-Tibet border. The area beyond the village is in control of the Indo-Tibet Border Police. Reaching Chitkul will be a never forget journey. The thrilling adventure is unmatchable. Thanks to the high acceleration on the mountain in the crossing different valleys of the Kinnaur region. The lush green of the forested mountains complemented by the cobalt blue of the sky, almost makes one forget the insanely difficult roads. There is a reason they are called the most treacherous road in the world.
last Indian village in Indo-China border, and this is the view. An awesome spectacular view. Just catch your eyes. Awesome. Sir, how can I reach the temple? By this look. Now I'm going to the temple.
Located on the rim of the old Indo-Tibetan road, the Chitkul village is at height of 3,450 meters above the sea level.
Hi.
The cultural and the religious value in the village are diverse and secular. There is an influence of Buddhism, Hinduism, and animalism in their culture. The village is dotted with ancient monasteries and temples. The local people spoken in Pahari and Tibetan language. Although Hindi is a common language to converts in for tourists. The Mathi temple, dedicated to goddess Mathi, who is the goddess of Kinnaur, is worshipped from the centuries. It is at Chitkul, a village in Kinnaur district of the Himachal Pradesh, the land of gods. Chitkul is the first village of Baspa Valley. It is also the last village on the Hindustan-Tibet trade route and the last point in India until one can go without permit. The complex houses 3 shrines, out of which the oldest shrine is believed to be built about 500 years ago by some Garhwal resident. The temple, designed in a different style and architecture from the rest of the other Hindu temples, has an ark of walnut wood covered with cloths and a tuft of yak tails. There are 2 poles inserted in the ark to hold it properly. The temple is known for its sacred legend behind its existence. Dedicated to local goddess Sri Mathi, the temple is said to be 5 centuries old. The statue of the goddess is made up of wood in contrast to the stone statues commonly found in the temples. The wood used to carve the statue was walnut wood. Sri Mathi is decorated and clothed with garments made of yak's tail hair. According to the legend, the Devi settled in the Chitkul village after embarking on the endurous and long journey. Upon reaching the village, she brought prosperity to the locals. The locals are royal devotees and followers of the goddess, as she is considered to be their holy lucky charm. The fort that once served as a watchtower is one of the prominent attractions in the village. You can visit the fort to marvel at the architecture. It is intricately decorated with wooden carvings that are typical to the Pahari style of art that uses mountain stones at its base. The 3-story high tower offers an overview of village and the valley. One of the most picture-perfect valley in the country, the Chitkul village is blessed with the crystal clear and bubbling water of the river Baspa. with the majestic Himalayas as its backdrop. The river is a popular site for trekking and water sports. You can take up the river rafting and a woven coracle boat ride. The river is surrounded with thick, tall green pine and oak trees. You can go fishing at the river to catch local trout fish. When you behold the river and the mountainous riverside, you will experience the true essence of Himachal Pradesh. If you want to enjoy the serene, calm, divine, and the tranquility of nature, and want to spend some 1 and 2 days in the India's last village, then please check out the description box over here, where I am sharing some means of accommodation where you can stay, how to reach the Chitkul, and what things you can do in Chitkul. Till then, stay tuned to my channel, keep supporting me, and now, the last of the list, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Be safe and be happy always.